Hey guys and gals, it's Mr. Know-It-All here, and I've got to share something with you on this beautiful Pensacola day. Alright, here we go. This is the simplest, easiest way, and this will save you a boatload of money. Now, they call for you to use 5 drops in 1 cup of water. Okay? These do not hold 1 cup of water, so theoretically, you'd be able to use 1 drop in this or less, but we say use 5 drops in it and it'll smell really, really good, because with these plug-ins, you can adjust them to how strong you want, which if you have these, you know. You do need these. Hoolio, tell everybody where all the tools are located.
Buscar en el show más de la descripción de video para todas las herramientas.
Thank you, Julio, Cesar Chavez, Rodriguez, Jorge Johnson, Clint Eastwood. Just look for Julio's tools and you'll find it. You pull that out. You have this little rig right here. These are empty. Now, 1 ounce of fluid is 590 drops. That's the savings that you're going to have. It's huge to fill these yourself. It's so much money in your pocket, and right now we need that with the way things are going. So all you have to do is pop this out, take a butter knife, put it under there, pop it like that. Do it on each side. Pull it out. Now we'll take and put 5 drops in it. I was doing 20 drops and they smelled really good, but 5 drops is all you need. 3, 4, 5. Now the savings, again, I can't tell you. You can add it up and figure it out. You will fill these hundreds of times with 2 ounces. Hundreds of times. Now, all we do, take this little rig right here. Take that, make sure you put it back in the right way. I've put it back in that way, which is Mr. Know-It-All with a brain doo-doo. So if you want it stronger smelling, you want it to, you put 20 drops in it if you want, and you'll have your house smelling like a French H house. Done. Now you can take that, store it away. You will not be buying any more of the $16 9-packs of these. 16 bucks for 9 of these, and then people throw them away. So you won't have to throw them away. You won't have to recycle them. You just keep putting in your fluid. Any flavor, any scent that you want, you'll be able to do here for pennies, less than pennies. Alright, so let's go over this and why this little item is so awesome. You will love it. Here's the reason I even picked it up and tried it out, is because when we leave, we have cameras all over our property. So as you can see, this is doing its thing. And I have it set to reboot, which means shut off, restart once a day. But sometimes it will get a little glitch, maybe only when we leave. That's usually when it happens. When we leave for any length of time, it will shut off and won't reboot for 9 or 10 hours because of the scheduled reboot time. So what I did was, I said, if I unplug it and plug it back in, it will reboot on its own. So I thought, how can I do that when I'm, say, in New Orleans, or say that I'm in Texas, or wherever we are traveling the world, as the great travelers we are, LOL. But here's what I came up with, and I've got to share this with you because I'm really impressed with it, and it will work for just about anything you want it to work for. And you can do it from the easy free app that they give you from basically anywhere you have internet. You can even use your data to do it. Alright, here is this little bugger, and it's got a blue light telling you it's active, and all I did was plug this monitor for the cameras into it, and I plugged it into the wall. Now I could plug this right into the wall, this box right here, the white box. I could plug it right into the wall, but I didn't want to do that because I like to have my cabinet, which is right here, up tight against the wall. All you do is connect it to your wireless at your house. That's as simple as it is. it will then connect to your program or your app that you have on your phone, and I can, from any place that I have internet, shut this whole system off and turn it right back on. We did it from Biloxi here not too long ago. I did a test on it while I was in Biloxi. I shut it off, turned it back on, and all the cameras rebooted. This will work for you. Say that somebody's at your house and you need to turn a light on in your house, or say that you need to turn anything on or off, and maybe somebody's roaming around your yard and you've got a big light out there you want to turn on. And scare them away, or whatever it may be. Say you have a stereo system you want to turn on and make people think that you're there. It doesn't matter what it is. Whatever you want to turn on or off, you can do it right from the app. And that little box right there it's awesome. It saved me so much worry about my camera systems shutting off, because if they shut off at night and I have to wait for it to reboot, then I'm kind of caught in a rock and a hard place, because then I lose all that camera time that something usually happens when you least expect it. So this really is going to make my life so much more peaceful, knowing that I can control when my cameras are on or off. All right, so we're on the app and we're on our office computer here. So let's go up here and open up the cameras. And we'll go over there. Now they'll start loading. This is handy. I'm telling you, if you've got something you want turned on, turned off. And this has saved me so much stress. I can't stress that enough as far as stress is concerned. All right, so there's all the cameras we have, 8 of them. And so what happens is, again, when I'm gone and the thing gets a glitch, every once in a great while, but it seems to have happened when we're gone. When the internet or things are not being used around here, the hard drive will have a little glitch and it will go blank, so you'll see none of this. So I can't have anybody go to my house and reboot it, because it takes a bit of work to do that. Watch this. When I go down and I go to the app, and you see that little button right there. When I push that, you'll see those disappear. I'm going to hit off. Watch the screen. Here we go. So now all I have to do is go back down, hit on right here, turns green. Bingo. So that little app with that little controller on that plug-in is amazing. So no matter where I'm at, if I have internet or I have data on my phone, I can reboot my computer within a minute and have it back on. That's it. Mr. Know-It-All, out. GoPro, stop recording.